batteries are gone.
Up for sale, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Wagon. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 57 Bel Air Wagon. A lot of great things about it. But we're doing a video inside today because we got an oncoming snowstorm, and I didn't want the car, just sitting in the snow. Got the good lights in here now, so you get a better glimpse than the last time I had to do this. Where to begin on the car? It was sold new in California. It's been 47 years in California since it was then bought out of California and then had a lot of nice things done to it. It's my dad looking in the window over there. I don't even know where to begin. From the factory, it was a 283 power pack car with a 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes, factory AC. So those factory options. Currently, it still has its original 283 in it. Let me open the hood. But now, it has a new intake, new Holley carburetor, power brakes with front disc, power steering, vintage AC, new serpentine system on it, radiator, which is aluminum, of course. The cowl tag is still in place, but it's all original paint. The body looks to be primarily original paint, and it just has this fantastic patina look. I'll go around. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because you know what you would expect for almost however long it is year old paint. But anyway, dual electric fans. Anything that was taken off the car, I have over there, and I'll go through that. Of course, battery. I love the serpentine system, though. It has also received all new interior, brand new tires, got great looking hubcaps on it. All the glass is original, all the trim is original. California sticker on there, and it's got an oil change sticker in here. Van Nuys, California. A little hard to read what's on it though. 70. And then you got your untouched and unmessed with VIN tag with the L right there for California. Anyway, close the door. Smooth running, as you would expect. I did, fire it up and take it for a little lap around before the snow comes on. Where to begin? The hubcaps are like excellent condition. Again, new tires on them. But again, it's got this fantastic patina look on a just absolutely zero rust body, no bubbles. The underneath, the frame, the floors, body mounts, inner rockers, everything. There's not even surface rust underneath the car. So obviously, coming out of California, it was pride of ownership for the last 15 years, which is, again, fantastic. Limited on room here. You see awesome fitment for all the original panels all the way around the car. See a little indent here. You see some patina, stuff like that. You see some fading here. Super, super cool. On top of the car, as you would expect, the patina with your classic white, I'm going to call it a stripe that goes through, and then more patina because back in the day, think about it like this. You painted like that, and then you painted like that. So the middle portion's technically got 2 layers of paint. So a lot of patina wagons have that little line that goes through it, which is pretty dang cool, actually. But anyway, all original tinted glass. This one's the only one that suffered a little damage in its lifetime. I have a brand new piece of glass for it. Of course, goes with the car. And as you pop it open, once again, new door panels all the way around, new seats, carpet, headliner. I've got a big folder of receipts for the car. Lots of things that were done to it. So I'm not blowing smoke here. They are receipts. And again, all the interior is professional, of course, and other great notes. Any kind of door edges, hem, stuff like that is mint. Now I'm going to see if you can get a good look at it. Right there is just a mint stamping from the factory. Same deal here for the back seat. Look at how nice all of this is going up. Back seat, fold down back seat again, redone. I got brand new floor mats in the back. You'll see that when I get there, but let me pop in it real quick. Show you the dash. a little hard to make out, but I'm trying to give you the best idea here. I did mention it when I'm driving it. The gauges work. This one's not working. It's got a new tank. I'm going to have my mechanic check it out real quick when he gets here. I was just very excited. And, I'll update it, of course, if we do get it going. California black plate car as well. Always nice. So here, again, I said anything that was taken off the car, I have. It was zoomed out that whole time. I got the boxes, all the stuff for the AC. I got the jack. I got the original radiator, which is actually in excellent condition. Some stuff for the brakes, for the AC, the compressor for the AC, your alternator and your factory power steering pump, water pump, couple other miscellaneous things in there. There's your original power pack, intake, and 4-barrel carb, even with the bolts for the intake. Brake booster, always, I would say the brake booster, intake, steering pump, AC components, very important. Even the radiator is cool. Radio, your fan, the wiring harness, so all the wiring's been redone. And then some more brake-related stuff, because now it's, of course, new drum brakes, but then power front disc brakes as well, which are drilled and slotted rotors. Again, chrome bumper, original. You see the nice fading here. This is such a cool piece. So we'll open her up and I'll show you how nice it is. Got that side clicked in. Mint. I mean, a little bit of dirt and crud from obviously age, but zero rust in there. All the carpeting back here is new, as well as material on both sides. They got brand new floor mats for the front as well. That goes, of course, along with the car. Spare tire, tool, your little thing that holds it all down. And again, that bottom section there is mint. Zero rust on the car. I do have some nice pictures of the underneath so you can see that. I'll leave this open. Too difficult to do with one hand. Going down this side though. Again, no bubbles. I feel like I don't have to go around it showing you this, but not a bubble on the car. Almost just ate shit on the water. Pardon my French. No bubbles. I mean, this is super cool. Fitment. Exactly how you want it to be. Mint. Exactly how you expect it to be. Mint. I mean, even the solid fitment and opening and closing of the doors as well. Again, mint. Getting a little harder to see here, but you're getting the idea. Nice. Another really nice stamping right there. These, they must have fallen out of the box of parts. Give me a second. Super, super nice. See a little bit of that black primer coming through. See a little bit of checking. You see some here. This is super cool. So, you get the idea. 57 Bel Air, California Wagon, Patina, pretty much mostly original paint. You can kind of see maybe like a little blending there at some point in its life. Again, 47-year ownership in California. I'd be interested to know where Canoga Park is, actually. 283 power pack, factory AC, factory power steering, factory power brake car. Now, with its original 283 in it, and 2-speed power glide, by the way. I'm sure you figured that out by now. New intake, new Holley carb, aluminum radiator, power front disc brakes, vintage AC, power steering, new serpentine system, new interior. It's been lowered as well. So it's just a little blower. It's got lowering blocks in the back, bushing, stuff like that, new gas tank, and anything else and new exhaust, because the factory dual exhaust car as well for the power pack. Anything that I might have missed or didn't mention at this point, I will have in the ad. Of course, thank you for watching, and I'll run the video, be firing it up now, and then me driving it around the block real quick. Thank you. Because of the oncoming snow, I want to quickly fire it up, take it for a little lap. We were supposed to get a giant snowstorm coming. Just some flurries right now. Let you hear it run. And then I'll do the walk around video inside this time. Ooh. We'll go this way. Of course, I have to let you, see it drive. All right, we got it on the road. Gonna go up and down the block. Oh, it's got a nice stiff gas pedal. I like that. Feel the transmission shifting for the good old 2-speed. You can see the temp gauge work, the speedo work. It's got a new gas tank. Currently, the gas gauge does not work, but I want to get it looked at by my guy. I still got the turn signal on. You can see that indicator work. All the exterior lights work. Got to do this with one hand on the camera. There we go. Nice and easy. Thank you. Pull her inside, let her warm up, and then let myself warm up. And of course, do the typical walk around video that I always do.